Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 4 best spot welding machine on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 4. Sunco 709AD Spot Welding Machine. The Sunco 709AD Spot Welding Machine is a powerful tool designed for precise and efficient welding of lithium batteries and other metal objects. It features a high-power triggered automatic spot welding with a 500A welding current and induction spot welding technology. The machine has versatile welding capabilities with a spot welding pen ranging from 0.05 to 0.2 mm and top welding capability supporting thicknesses from 0.05 mm to 0.35 mm. It also offers adjustable pulse value and display, dual voltage options, temperature control, and an electric shock arm extension up to 600 mm. The machine's efficient fan cooling system ensures optimal temperatures during prolonged use. Its advanced features make it a reliable choice for professionals and hobbyists alike. Number 3. RX1 Spot Welding Machine. The RX1 Spot Welding Machine is a compact yet powerful tool designed for precision welding tasks. It weighs just 1.7 kg and is ergonomically designed for comfortable operation. With a maximum current of 800A and input parameters of 12V10A, it can handle a maximum welding thickness of 0.25 mm nickel-plated. The welder pen is made from red copper, known for its excellent conductivity and durability. The machine is CE certified, meeting European safety standards, ensuring reliability and adherence to quality manufacturing practices. It features user-friendly controls and an electric capacity of 16x100F. Manufactured in mainland China, it offers cost-effectiveness without compromising on quality. Number 2. Glitter 811H Spot Welding Machine. The Glitter 811H Spot Welding Machine is a versatile tool for precision spot welding applications. It features a modern design, adjustable voltage output, AC 100 to 240V 5060Hz input, high peak welding energy 42 kW pulse power, at Montana trigger mode 75A split spot welding pen, adjustable energy grades, adjustable pulse time, 10 to 20A charging current, and 18 minutes charging time. It offers consistent and stable voltage output, high peak welding energy, adjustable pulse time, and efficient charging current. The machine is designed for 75A split spot welding pens, ensuring precise and controlled tasks. Its adjustable energy grades, pulse time, and charging current support quick turnaround times and maximize workflow efficiency. Number 1. LUAB Spot Welding Machine. The LUAB Spot Welding Machine is a lightweight, compact tool designed for precision and efficiency in welding lithium iron phosphate batteries, 18,650 lithium batteries, and 26,650 lithium batteries. Its high-performance peak power of 19.8 kW and rated capacity of 3,500A make it suitable for various materials and thicknesses. The machine supports a rated duty cycle of 0 to 20 milliseconds and delivers peak welding energy of up to 238J, ensuring precise spot welding even under demanding conditions. It is certified with CE, meeting international safety standards. The user-friendly interface with intuitive controls and indicators ensures accurate results during welding operations. Developed by luodabie, the machine combines innovative engineering with durable construction, promising long-term performance and reliability. It caters to professionals and hobbyists involved in battery assembly and repair. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.